Yep. 어려고 저거 번째가 디스플레이션 찍었지.
The Last of Us.
The Last of Us. Altakata toksimo. Saka napitarin nga rock patava. Nanong nga atama visit. Hanapilo pa siya nakso. Naksa napitarin ko ha. Kasi nakluwa si marinig. Kisipinit kisitiko. Takuri. Oh Maria Nato! Saka nga yung swakis pinda. Passat. Ni pacu udah nunggu.
It's called luck.
Bukan nasional itu, nasional lah. Tamani po nga ba? I'm back! Sininiachi ano ko Last of Us Spilli Chigwak Chinarak po Wala piso chingin nakpa sa karumi mo spilli Nadami Oktitzami ko
Alright.
Those look more like the ones that bit me. They still have their faces.
They're recently infected. Those soldiers must have just turned.
Which means there's more in the area. We gotta go.
Sabi at fish sa koyo.
Here we go.
Mariana to koyo. Kiyo makso kang yung puspila kulit king lang. Tapos bilang kita tuwak pa masak ko na masang nalakto mas pilisyo ka. Ayun na.
Climb on up.
Isak tek kakiman ni siya na nagkanayo sa tutang no. Teko. Ato ang saksa mat bisa kaya kang gingamit ito FBI Aqua nut
Joel, over here.
Maybe we can cut through here.
Hold! Okay, Max, speed lang ito kaya pata speed lang kita to.
What? I don't hear anything.
Okay, double time.
I know.
Hit it good. Let's keep going.
You got something on your shoe.
Okay, how do we get out of this place?
Let's find out.
No. Unang bisong lang nga ka.
So Marlene thinks you're immune?
Well, that's what she believes.
Well, how were you bitten?
루트가.
I mean, you must have been somewhere you shouldn't to find an infected in the zone.
Yeah. I'd sneak out. I was in this military boarding school.
You'd sneak out?
You know, explore the city. I was in the mall when I ran into infected.
That place is completely off limits. How the hell did you get in there?
I had my ways. Anyways, one of those, what you guys call runners, bit me, and that was that.
I see. Were you with Marlene when you were bitten?
All right, let's see what we got.
I went to her for help afterwards.
Knowing her, I'm surprised she didn't shoot you.
She almost did. Hope she's all right.
I told you. She's gonna be fine.
Шөнөдөр кодоглоо пистори. Сүү. Виловцортарнаа писариақарпуунна. Сукканаусумма виловцортарниарма атортариақарпуу. Нэр пистуурет. Сукканаусумми тоқуаасарнерусsuunga. Сеққортарнаа канулисиннаан. So.
Yeah, that looks good.
So, торнерусимава. Нет, тимассаайорусеқангиллаа. No pistoria tuinnarniarluurikkaаққасорпу. Силлоқиттаатериссангиларва. Yes. Нартупиллунгарма нартарлугу.
Ow, shit! Sorry, that was me.
Tess,
Sorry.
Come on, stay close to me.
Sorry. Like this. Tanaqauniluutsinnisса. Zombiniluartarnermu tappiittunut. And no secrets. No teqqinnissasamuunarueeqqiya.
What is this place?
It's an old museum. Some of these things are hundreds of years old.
Really? Wow.
Ani sampeeqassaaق. Tama toqaringnarsinnaaru.
shit.
Sampelan.
All right, watch your head. Hurry, go. I'm alive. I'll make my way around.
Look, they're here!
Tess,
Run!
Run!
Dekko.
Tess.
Nipangerniai. Isingisinnaangelanga. Issutigivaqa iseqanngila. Inama sakta torokko. Kuita makkarokpa kasukkasoin. Sä peruit. Missä doktorakt? Thank you. Sa bisa karo manok ton
Tess. Tess.
sa bilaksak piniro siya ruwak pagka. Ting siapa napting. Ni pinot to mikishimi. I taught you. Ingasay, kumusta chichak to pitari ba? Isak takal. 25. Diba? Nasa dito magkaksimang kasi kumasak to pitari ba? Ano may silita ka kakpa? Nalawa ka na nakso. Okay. Pangang niat.
I'm fine. Guys, get in here! The girl!
I was too damn close.
Mikit siya tok sa karaw nak. 나 모욕다. 거기 봤어? 꼭 다오신 놈을 위로지루. 다 막격 뽑는 기준.
Look this way. This will get us to the roof.
기지씨 뭐. Nakamukakfisak. Ako siya nito nagkakakalaki. Di pa pasya ka tama, kichishima na ka marundak to ko yun.
We gotta find a way across. There she is. That's our building.
Stand back.
Nan! Ah.
Alright. Now watch your step as you're going up, because it's gonna be a little... So is that everything you hoped for?
Jury's still out. But man, can't deny that view.
Come on, this way. Hey, let's pick it up. Look, we're almost done. Stay focused.
Yes, ma'am.
It's right around this corner. Come on.
Let's keep moving, kid.
Tununumia sikuutseqas. Sikuutseqartarami sikuutsiujaarlumisaartaarluut. Puutilerpugungoq sikuutsiayam.
Look at this.
There's a Firefly logo on his arm. What if we get there and they're all dead?
They won't be.
But how do you know?
I just do. Look, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
Has to be.
Up and over.
Hoppadappa.
There we go. Home stretch, Tess.
Chiva sikunchuna toqallararinga.
Just so it's out there, I can't swim.
Look, it looks like it's shallow on the right side. Follow me.
I'm glad Marlene hired you guys.
What do you mean?
I know you guys are getting paid for this, but I'm trying to say thanks.
Yeah, sure thing.
Mình nói là cọc chân con người cất gọi là cọc cho đó á. Thằng nó cô cọc, gọi là cắt xong cái con người cất gọi là cắt cho đó á. Dạ, bỏ. No.
No. No, no, no.
What happens now?
What are you doing, Tess?
Maybe they had a map or something to tell us where they were going.
How far are we gonna take
As far as it needs to go. Where was this lab of theirs?
Oh, she never said. She only mentioned that it was someplace out west.
What are we doing here? This is not us.
What do you know about us? About me?
I know that you are smarter than this.
Really? Guess what? We're shitty people, Joel. It's been that way for a long time.
No, we are survivors.
This is our chance.
It is over, Tess! Now, we tried. Let's just go home.
I'm not going anywhere. This is my last stop.
What?
Our luck had to run out sooner or later.
You going on?
No, don't! Don't touch me.
Holy shit. She's infected.
Joel,
Let me see it.
I didn't mean for this.
Show it to me. Oh, Christ.
Oops, right? Give me your arm. This was 3 weeks. I was bitten an hour ago, and it's already worse. This is fucking real, Joel. You've got to get this girl to Tommy's. He used to run with this crew. He'll know where to go.
No. That was your crusade. I am not doing that.
Yes, you are. Look. There's enough here that you have to feel some sort of obligation to me, so you get her to Tommy's. They're here.
Damn it.
I can buy you some time, but you have to run.
You want us to just leave you here?
Yes.
There is no way that...
I will not turn into one of those things. Come on. Make this easy for me.
I can find...
No, just go! Just fucking go.
Ellie,
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this.
get a move on.
We know you're in there. Drop your weapons and come out with your hands up.
What the fuck? I can't believe we did that.
Stop.
We just left her to die.
Stop. You stay close to me. We have to move.
Oh, man.
Ako sure kanit kami isibiso mi. Matulong reaction ni. Avisata sanna paminute yung reaction ni. Mas kitarong nga.
We'll go upstairs. We'll get out from there. Just
Integrate.
keep pushing forward.
Target neutralized. She took out 2 of my men. Copy that. You, take out the door. You, with me. Yes, sir.
Kanong mo tayo shooting siya may matulog sa siya. Tama siya kaching.
Copy that. You, take out the door. You, with me.
Tess.
Yes, sir.
They're gonna be here soon.
I don't care. Jump. attack mode. Bang.
What do we do? Joel?
I got this.
I got him!
Oh,
Cover the exit.
fuck.
Keep your head down.
Cover me! I'm moving up! I got you covered.
Bitch. Ammonia.
All right, come on, Ellie.
Right behind you.
J'ai l'air de Samarie.
What are we doing? Joel, how are we gonna get out of here?
We're gonna go through that hall. Stay down. I don't know how many more there are.
운영 다섯. 운영 다섯. 운영 다섯. Anong ginatok ko sa karoklong? Håll betydelsen!
Get him!
Sobrang bipisi. 역경 망해나와. 자신 있는 거 혹시 먹어 막.
I see him! On the couch!
Peekaboo.
Oh, thank God.
Just porridge.
Joel, there's the exit.
Ah no! Shut the fuck up! Sinakakapit!
Following us!
Run down! Damn it! Got him!
There's a soldier over there.
Hold your position. Copy that.
How the hell are you breathing in this stuff?
I wasn't lying to you.
Did you spot him? No, the place is empty. I didn't see anything.
Search the area. Find them and get the hell out of here before the clickers show up.
Ni baksan niya. Cuma sa kanila. Isasakak po. I like this. Ba ba ba.
Hey, I can't swim.
I know.
We'll figure something out.
No, so jingoksin 나오지. 왔다 징오시. 수리다 징오.
Ellie?
I'm fine. Hey, look, it still works.
Şuna? Ah, flashback. Good.
You're not gonna leave me here, right?
Just stay put.
Not going anywhere.
강아지들이 맞주한 나의 작등은 나사리였어. 아또 고정하시 지서오는 나를 신나수원.
Anything down there?
It's a dead end. Get on.
Really?
Yep.
Ellie,
Okay, okay. Be careful.
I got you.
Akong karok. Salimuin na karok pa. Takot. Mikitje toch visserachsimon.
Let's get out of here.
Hey, look, about Tess. I don't even know what
Here's how this thing's gonna play out. You don't bring up Tess. Ever. Matter of fact, we just keep our histories to ourselves. Secondly, don't tell anybody about your condition. They think you're crazy, they'll try to kill you. And lastly, you do what I say when I say it. We clear?
Sure.
Repeat it.
What you say goes.
Good. Now there's a town a few miles north of here. There's a fella there that owes me some favors. Good chance he could get us a car.
Okay.
Let's get a move on. Now, there we go. Yeah, it'll be faster to go through here.
Man,
What?
nothing. It's just... I've never seen anything like this, that's all.
You mean the woods?
Yeah. Never walked through the woods. It's kind of cool.
Siuna nartalaqporasit qunnisinnaarnuppisin narlarsimasisussi tamassipai tulliunupakkush. Bye
Why don't you
bye.
just take me back to Marlene?
If she was up to the task, why'd she drop you off on us?
Well, maybe she's better now.
Look, kid, I don't mean to upset you, but your friend's chances of survival weren't too high to begin with.
She's a lot tougher than you think.
It don't matter. Because I doubt I can get either one of us back into the city in one piece. Trust me. I wish there was some other option.